The secret behind Amazon's obsession with speed. Amazon spent billions building warehouses, buying planes, hiring drivers, and delivering packages faster than anyone thought possible. But this obsession was never just about convenience. Amazon discovered something powerful. The faster a product arrives, the less time a customer has to change their mind. And that idea helped turn a small online bookstore into a global empire. The problem. Early online shopping had one major weakness. Customers had to wait. In a physical store, you could buy something and take it home immediately. Online, delivery could take days or even weeks. That waiting created doubt. Do I really need this? Should I cancel the order? Maybe I should just go to a store. Amazon realized that delivery time was not only a logistics problem, it was a psychological barrier. How Amazon started? In 1994, Jeff Bezos launched Amazon as an online bookstore. Books were a smart starting point because physical stores could only stock a limited number of titles, while Amazon could offer millions. But Bezos never wanted to sell only books. His goal was to build the everything store. To achieve that, Amazon needed customers to trust that their orders would arrive quickly and reliably. The turning point. The biggest turning point came in 2005 with the launch of Amazon Prime. Customers paid an annual fee and received fast shipping. At first, it looked like a terrible business decision. Shipping was expensive, and Amazon was giving more of it away. But Prime members started buying much more. Once they had already paid for shipping, every additional order felt almost free. Instead of asking, "Should I buy this online?" customers began asking, "Why wouldn't I order it from Amazon?" Prime did not just improve delivery, it changed customer behavior. The hidden strategy. Amazon's real strategy was not simply speed, it was removing friction. Every extra second gives customers time to compare prices, visit another website, or reconsider the purchase. Amazon wanted to eliminate those moments. One-click purchasing made ordering faster. Prime removed the pain of shipping fees. Same-day and next-day delivery reduced the difference between online shopping and visiting a physical store. Amazon built warehouses near major cities, developed advanced forecasting systems, bought cargo planes, created its own delivery network, and invested heavily in robots. The goal was simple: to shorten the distance between desire and purchase. The biggest success and risk. Amazon's obsession with speed became one of its greatest advantages. Customers became used to receiving products within 1 or 2 days. Competitors were forced to spend billions just to keep up. But speed also came with a huge cost. Warehouses, planes, drivers, robots, and delivery stations required massive investment. There were also concerns about worker pressure, environmental impact, and whether ultra-fast delivery could remain profitable. Amazon's biggest advantage was also one of its most expensive promises. Amazon today. Today, Amazon operates one of the largest logistics networks in the world. In some cities, selected products can arrive the same day, or even within hours. Amazon did not just become faster than its competitors. It changed what customers believe fast should mean. What once felt extraordinary now feels normal. The business lesson. Amazon's story teaches one powerful lesson. Customers do not only buy products, they buy convenience, certainty, and time. Every delay, extra step, or complication gives the customer a reason to leave. Amazon won by finding one of the biggest frustrations in online shopping and spending billions to remove it. So the real question for every business is not only, how can I make my product better? It is also, how can I make buying it faster, easier, and harder to abandon? Because sometimes the company that wins is not the one with the cheapest product. It is the one that gives customers the least time to say no. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to our new channel so you do not miss more fascinating business stories like this in the future. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Which company should we investigate next?